We received this keyless door lock entry to test out. So in your kit, you should have your exterior door lock assembly, your interior door lock assembly with a battery cover, your latch bolt with a plastic box, your mounting plate, your strike plate, backup keys, and all of the screws. You'll also receive a diagram just in case you don't already have a hole for your deadlock. And the installation is really super easy. So first you will install that bolt, then you will install the keypad and feed it through. You will install your mounting plate. Connect the cable from your exterior mount to your interior mount. Secure that with the screws provided, and then you will need 4 AA batteries. They provide instructions to add your own passcode or add fingerprints. You can add multiple different passcodes and multiple fingerprints. And we are super impressed with the design of this. It's nice and sleek and goes great with our door, but just obviously we are impressed with the functionality of it. Fingerprints are always a little finicky, so there is some times where you have to do the fingerprint multiple times, but it is great and we are really impressed with all its features.